Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Adi Education Wali. I'm student at Rehan College Korangi campus and I'm a participant in the Teacher Training Bootcamp 1. Today we are discussing a very inspiring topic, the power of lifelong learning, why learning never stops. Learning is a journey that continues throughout life and help us grow personally and professionally. To discuss this topic, we have our special guest, Mehek Education Wali. So, Mehek Education, please give me your short introduction.
Walaikum Assalam, Sadia. Thank you so much for inviting me. My name is Make Education Wali. I am excited to discuss a topic that has a power to transform lives and open doors to endless opportunities.
Okay, so Mehek, our first question is, what is lifelong learning?
Lifelong learning is the continuous process of gaining knowledge, skills, and experiences throughout one's life. It is not limited to formal education in school or universities. Instead, it includes learning from books, online courses, mentors, work experiences, and even daily life situations. Lifelong learning encourages people to remain curious and open-minded. It helps individuals adapt to change, improve their abilities, and continues growing no matter their age. In today's rapidly changing world, lifelong learning is not just an option; it is a necessity for personal and professional success.
Okay, it's great answer, Mehek. So our second question is, why is lifelong learning important in today's world?
The world is changing faster than ever before due to technological advancement and globalization. New industries are emerging and jobs requirements are constantly evolving. Lifelong learning helps individuals requirements are constantly evolving. Lifelong learning helps individuals stay relevant and prepared for these changes. It enables people to acquire new skills, improve their knowledge, and remain competitive in the workplace. Beyond career benefits, lifelong learning also enriches personal life by encouraging curiosity, creativity, and self improvement. It improves people to face challenges confidently and seize new opportunities.
Okay, how does lifelong learning help people achieve success?
Success often comes to those who are willing to learn and grow continuously. Lifelong learners are constantly improving their skills and expanding their knowledge. This makes them more adaptable, innovative, and capable of solving problems. They are better prepared to take advantage of opportunities and overcome obstacles. Learning also builds confidence because it equips individuals with the tools needed to achieve their goals. Whatever success means, career advancement, internship, or personal fulfillment, lifelong learning provides a strong foundation.
Okay, Mehek Education Wali. So what are you thinking? What role does curiosity play in lifelong learning?
Curiosity is the driving force behind learning. It inspires people to ask questions, seek answers, and explore new ideas. Curious individuals are naturally motivated to discover how things work and why they happen. This mindset keeps learning exciting and meaningful. Curiosity also encourages mindset keeps learning exciting and meaningful. Curiosity also encourages creativity and innovation because it pushes people to think beyond what they already know. Without curiosity, learning becomes passive, but with curiosity, every experience becomes an opportunity for growth.
Great answer. Our next question is, how has technology changed the way people learn?
Technology has revolutionized education by making learning more accessible and flexible. Today, people can access to courses, tutorials, books, ebooks, webinars, and education videos from anywhere in the world. Online learning platforms allow students to learn at their own pace and according to their schedules. Technology has also introduced interactive according to their schedule. Tools such as virtual classrooms, simulation, and artificial intelligence based learning systems. This innovation makes learning and engaging and personalized, helping individuals achieve better outcomes.
Okay, can lifelong learning improve career opportunities?
Absolutely implies value individuals how continuously develop their skills and knowledge. Lifelong learning are more likely to adapt to new technologies, take on, take on leadership roles, and contribute innovative ideas. They often again certification and expertise that make them stand out in the job market. Continuous learning can lead to promotion, career transition, and increased earning potential. In many cases, it can be difference between staying stagnant and achieving professional growth.
Okay, how can students develop habit of continuous learning?
Student can develop this habit by setting learning goals and dedicating times each day and acquiring new knowledge. Reading books, exploring education content, attending workshops, and asking questions are excellent ways to stay engaged in learning. Students should also view mistakes as learned opportunities rather than failures. Developing curiosity, maintaining discipline, and being open to feedback are essential for creating a lifelong learning mindset.
Okay, why is adaptability important for lifelong learners?
Adaptability also individual to respond effectively and to changing circumstances. Lifelong learners understand that changes is a natural part of life and are willing to acquire new skills when needed. Adaptable people are more resilient because they can adjust to new environments, technologies, and challenges. This ability helps them remain successful and relevant in a rapidly evolving world.
Okay, next question is, how does lifelong learning contribute to personal growth?
Personal growth occurs when individuals challenge themselves to improve and expand their uh, perspectives. Lifelong learning helps people develop critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and self awareness. It encourages them to explore new interests and understand different viewpoint. Through continuous learning, individuals become more confident, knowledge, and capable to achieving their goals. Personal growth is one of the most rewarding benefits of lifelong learning.
Okay, can lifelong learning help build confidence?
Yes, lifelong learning can significantly boost confidence. Every time a person learns a new skill or gain knowledge, they become more capable and self-assured. This confidence comes from knowing that they can adapt to challenges and continue improving. Lifelong learners often feel improved because they trust their ability to grow and success in different situations.
Okay, how does reading contribute to lifelong learning?
Reading is one of the most effective way to acquire knowledge and broaden perspective. Books expose readers to new ideas, experiences, and viewpoints. They help improve vocabulary, critical thinking, and communication skills. Reading also encourages imagination and creativity. Lifelong learners often makes reading are regular habits because it provides continuous opportunities for growth and discovery.
Okay, great, Mehak. What is the relationship between learning and innovation?
Innovation often begins with learning. People who continuously acquire knowledge are more likely to develop creative solutions and new ideas. Learning helps individuals understand exciting challenges and identify opportunities for improvement. Many groundbreaking innovations result from combining knowledge from different fields. Therefore, lifelong learning plays a critical role in driving progress and innovation.
Okay, Mehak. So, why is lifelong learning important for leadership?
Effective leaders understand that learning never ends. They continuously seek knowledge to improve decision making, communication, and problem solving skills. Lifelong learners help leaders stay informed about trends and challenges. It also enables them to inspire and guide others more effectively. Great leaders are often lifelong learners because they understand the value of growth and adaptability.
Okay, Mehak, it's a two good answer. So, my last question is, what is your final message about lifelong learning?
My final message is that learning is a lifelong journey, not a destination. Every day, parents opportunities to grow, improve, and discover sometimes new. In a world that is constantly changing, the ability to learn continuously is one of the greatest strengths a person can have. Those who embrace lifelong learning will not only achieve success but also lead richer, more meaningful lives. Never stop learning because every lesson has the potential to transform your future.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mehak, Education Wali, for sharing your valuable insight and inspiring thought with us today. Thank you so much again.
Thank you, Sadia. It was truly a pleasure to be a part of this decision discussion.
Thank you everyone for watching and listening. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.